Emily with Hallowed Beauty. Do you notice anything different about me? Anything at all? So I got my hair done. It has been a long ride with this hair because I needed it done. This is the before picture and it needed done. So I am now blonde and this is a balayage slash ombre. Yeah, whatever you want to call it. My girl Candy did it. Shout out to my girl Candy. Go follow her on Instagram because she's a fantastic hairstylist and she can make your hair look like mine. Not only is this look going to be super cute, it is summertime. I got my watermelon koozie and my watermelon fanny pack right here. And I am ready to hit the beach and the pool. All right, enough dilly-dallying. Let's get straight into the video. And now welcoming Watermelon Slushie. So this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And also, on your way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because subscribing is free. And we all know that we like free things, right? More importantly, turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 and you know I posted. So guys, stay cute, stay you, stay beautiful, stay safe, and wear some sunscreen out here because it's hot this summer. Love you.